I hope you, your family, and all your friends are safe and well. I want to thank you for your time today and for giving me the opportunity to introduce this game changer mortgage app that will help you get more buyers. The highlights are on the left. This app can be used by any real estate professional, realtors, inspectors, stagers, insurance agents, anybody who has clients who may need a mortgage. It's free to register, it's free to use. Just type register me in the comments section below with your contact info and I'll help set it up for you. There's two parts to the app. There's an affordability calculator that instantly pre-qualifies buyers, and there's an online application with smart docs, digital signings, which of course is COVID compliant. I'm going to show you how it works. Quick example. We've got Debbie Disco, who's got a house for sale for $675,000, and we've got Jack Jones, who's a potential buyer, and we're going to use Debbie's personalised calculator to see if Jack can afford it or not. Now, if you type this link into a URL, you can test drive the calculator for yourself. And later, you can personalise your own calculators. You could have John Smith affordability calculator, or you could have Best Realtor affordability calculator. You can have anything you want as long as it's available. Just add your preference in the contact info down below. So we could use either of these two. This one's for refinancing, so we'll use this one here. There's three total. We'll use this one here. There's 5 questions. These are the 5 questions, and these are the 5 answers. And the first question, the answer is 150. The second question is down payment, which is 250. Third question is monthly loan repayments, which is 1,000. The fourth question is credit card debt, and that's 10,000. And the last question is what's his credit like, and he's made a few late payments. Now, when we hit this green button here, we're going to find out how much Jack can afford. And so let's do it. Okay, so Jack has pre-qualified himself for 818,000 here. This is based on the numbers that he entered himself, and now he's very excited. Now he wants to get pre-approved for a mortgage, which requires a completed application and supporting documents. So this is Jack's mortgage portal. This was set up earlier. It's very simple. There's 2 sections. There's an application section and there's a supporting documents section. If we go to the application here and we just click on this, if we go to the application section here and then we go to review, we can see that it's a very simple scenario. He's the only borrower on the mortgage. His only income is from his job. His only asset is the money that he's got in his checking account, and he doesn't own a property. So let's go a little bit deeper into his income. If we click on this blue button and we scroll down, we can see who he works for and how they pay him. And if he had any other income, for instance, if he was, now here's an aside, if he was self-employed, we have lenders who accept less than 2 years verified income, and they recognise that the majority of self-employed people, their income is much higher than what's been reported to the taxman. And if we scroll down, rental income would come in here under other. And again, it's worth noting we have lenders who accept income from illegal suites. So that could be very helpful if you've got a property with an illegal basement. Okay, so let's move on to assets. And like I say, his only asset is his checking account. But if he had any other assets, they would go in here like that. And properties, if he had a property, the details would go in here. You can have multiple properties, mortgage information here. And under professionals, now this is Debbie Disco's contact information. Every time somebody uses Debbie's calculator, she automatically by default becomes the partnered first choice realtor. So it's in her interest to share her calculator link with as many people as possible, because that will put her in front of active real estate participants. So her link could even get shared on social media and go viral. So the possibilities are endless. Okay, so if we go to review and we scroll down to the bottom here, we come to the comments section, and this is where a sentence or two or a paragraph about the borrower is helpful to the lender. It gives them a feel for the deal, especially so if the borrower has got bruised credit or is self-employed. This is the electronic consent. This is where Jack confirms everything is truthful, and he authorises us to do a credit check on him and share his information with lenders and lawyers. This is the electronic signature here, and this is where we submit the application. Now, when we submit the application, an email is automatically sent out to Jack with a list of the requested or required documents. And in this case, it's only 4. It's ID, bank statements, employment letter, and a pay stub. But it could be a lot more complex if his application had been more involved. And these are some of the smart docs that could have been asked for. As you can see, there's quite a few of them. Okay, so if we go back to his documents and we hit this blue button here, we get a drag and drop pop-up box appear. And if we go to Jack's document files, which are over here, we can drag and drop, and then this will upload into the portal like that. And let's do his bank statements. So let's open the box, and then we find his bank statements are up here. We drag and drop, and they upload into the portal. And we'll just do one more. We'll do his employment letter. Employment letter, drag, drop, and upload. Okay. So once all his documents have been uploaded, the system will automatically prepare a lender presentation package that includes his application and all the supporting documents. And then, subject to human verification, that's ready to be sent out to lenders. So in summary, Jack's looked at a property, he's used the calculator, he's filled in an application, he's uploaded his docs, and he's got a file ready for distribution to lenders in under 30 minutes, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this look into the future of mortgage origination. Thanks again for watching, and if you'd like to add this tool to your armory, just type register me in the comments below with your contact info, and I'll help set it up for you. Thank you.